Back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Tyler with an O, and today's video, as you read in the title, is just gonna be a quick little check-in. It's officially been 1 year since I got my last full haircut and had no hair, so I just came to document and check in and show you guys my growth over the past year and just talk about some of the experiences on my natural hair journey. So for starters, as we know, it is now January, about exactly 1 year ago. I think early January into December is when I cut my hair off, and I just wanted to start fresh. As I mentioned in my first natural hair video, I think that was in October. I'm gonna put an iCard above for that. My hair was texturized and heavily damaged, so into December, January, I can't remember, I ended up cutting off my hair and vowing that I was no longer going to be using any type of chemical straightening, softening treatments on my hair. And that's exactly what I did. I mean, I planned on lasting this long, but just to look back and say it's been a whole year without me cutting off my hair, I think it's pretty remarkable, and I'm actually really impressed with myself. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of where I started from, this was a picture of me taken in January. I know it's going to be kind of blurry for you guys, but that just gives you an idea of me with short hair. That was kind of the style that I started with, and from then I haven't cut my hair since. Well, I mean, to be specific, I cut the sides of my hair, but this top portion, originally I was getting it faded, stopped getting it faded, and just started growing the top and cutting off the sides. And so this is what I'm working with now. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and take this off. Alright, yeah, so this is what I'm working with. This is 1 year of growth. I literally just got out the shower. I just put in a little bit of leave-in product and kind of shook it out, and then came to do this video. I figured it would be fitting just to kind of see my hair in its natural state. But yeah, so without any further ado, I want to go ahead and do a length check. So the last time I did a length check, as you guys know, because I know you watched the last video, was in, I think, October. And you're gonna have to go back to that video to see what the lengths were. I think it was 3.5 inches in the front, 5 inches in the middle, and then 3 inches in the back. So I just want to go ahead and measure my hair again to see how long we've gotten since then. And to kind of make this a good little landmark, because from January to October, that's 10 months, and that's kind of an awkward time stamp to put on a hair journey. So I want to get official measurements for 1 year so I can see my progress from here. So I got my handy dandy wooden ruler here. I'm going to use this and just start with the front of my hair. For this curl, but starting from the base here to the last strand of hair, and that was, wow, that was at 5 inches. So again, in October, November, December, January, so in 3 months I've gained 2 inches in the front. It went from 3 inches to 5 inches. So y'all could have to excuse this. I probably should have did this at the end of the video so I don't have the front of my head looking all crazy. Let's do the middle. This was where the longest part of my hair was. Yeah, just a little bit over 5 inches. So I don't know, maybe it wasn't 5 inches in October. Or maybe it was. Maybe I just haven't experienced much growth in the middle, but I definitely got some in the front. And lastly, I'm just gonna go ahead and measure the back. And I'm at 4 inches in the back. That is just kind of the length. My hair is really it's really wild right now. Oh, I did want to say about, I think it was last month, I went to go get my hair braided. My ends were just looking a little scraggly, so my stylist actually went and she trimmed my ends. I don't know exactly how much hair she took off, but I know it wasn't anything drastic. So I have cut my hair 1 time in the past year, and that was just trimming the ends, but it wasn't any type of major cut. As far as what I've been doing, I've just been getting my hair braided on and off. I'll usually have my hair in cornrows and leave that in for maybe a week and a half to 2 weeks, take that out, rock something like this. And then there have been 2 times in the past year that I did get comb twists. I just came out of comb twists today, before I came and sat down here. But that has been another go-to style of mine, especially in the wintertime. As many of you guys may know, it takes a lot of water, a lot of product, a lot of moisture to maintain natural hair. And with it being cold outside right now, I don't always like to walk out every morning with my hair soaking wet and dripping wet. It's just not a good feeling, so I try to keep it in some type of styles that are low maintenance, that don't require a lot of water and aren't going to cause me to get sick. As far as the products I've been using, I've really grown quite fond of the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This and also the Kinky Curly Knot Today. I don't think I'll ever not use this stuff. Like, I really love it. This is my second bottle. Man, this stuff, it's a leave-in detangler. It detangles, but it just does something. I don't know. Try it. If you've tried it, you probably know what I'm talking about already, but I love this stuff. I will swear by this. But yeah, because I've had my hair twisted or braided so frequently, styling my natural hair as it is without, like, you know, going into braids or without going into twists, but just like, you know, more wash and goes and twist outs and things like that where I actually have my hair out, I'm still in a very experimental phase with. I haven't really perfected any styles. I haven't really even too much explored anything. I kind of been settling for what I'm comfortable with, what I'm familiar with, what I know is gonna work for me, what I know is gonna last for me, and I've just kind of left it at that. But yeah, that's about it. I just kind of wanted to document my little hair journey as of 1 year. I wish I can say I've learned more and I know more, but I'm still very much learning what to do with my hair, how to do my hair, what works for my hair, what doesn't work for my hair. So yeah, this has just been a very experimental process for me, but it is exciting nonetheless. I don't think I've really been too tempted to just like, okay, like cut my hair off and, you know, go back to short hair. Like, not really. The one thing that I have just been really tempted to do is dye my hair, but the longer my hair gets, the less I want to dye it. Like, I've always wanted to see what I would look like with like a lighter brown or like a copper, but now it's just like with my hair so long, it's not gonna be so easy to just like cut it off and start over if I don't like the color. And then also I don't want to risk like the chemical damage from coloring my hair and messing up my curl pattern. So I don't know, I'll probably pass on that, but it has been in the back of my mind, front of my mind, side of my mind. Like, I've been thinking about it a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, which is TylorWithAnO, all one word, you know, I just recently did a poll on if I should even go and dye my hair or not. A lot of people were saying like, you know, yeah, that color would be cute. I think on the poll it was like 70 something to 20 something percent. So 70 in favor of me dyeing my hair, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna go through with it. I really do like how rich and dark my hair is, especially with my complexion. I feel like it's a nice contrast. Anyways, at this point I'm rambling. So yeah, I just wanted to check in and show you guys my progress on my natural hair journey. Again, my last video since I checked in was gonna be in October. So I just wanted something, start of the new year, kind of a good little landmark to document my progress so far. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more videos about my hair as far as styling goes, because again, this is very experimental, so I'm not coming to you as like a hairstyle guru type shit. Like, you're gonna be experiencing my first twist out, my first braid out, my first all of this with me. So let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing, and we can kind of go through this process together. If you have any opinions, suggestions, recommendations, I am so open and willing to hear those, so definitely drop a comment down below. And more importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithAnO goodness. And I'll catch you all on my next video. Peace.